Hello friend, it's my great pleasure to welcome you to my channel, Let's Graphics and Multimedia. And in today's video, I'm going to show you step by step on how you can use Temu shopping app on mobile, whether you are using iPhone or you are using Android phone. All you have to do is to make sure you watch this video from beginning to the end and see how you can use Temu shopping app on mobile. But before we dive deep into the tutorial, as you guys know me, my name is Rafi Yaku. I'm a procurement and importation coach. If you want to contact me for importation business, you can contact me on WhatsApp via the number in the description of this video. So with that being said, let's dive into the tutorial and see how you can use Temu shopping app on mobile. So let's begin. So if you are using Android phone, what you need to do first is to head over to your Google Play Store. So I'm going to click on my Google Play Store right here. Then when you get to your Google Play Store, you have to navigate to your search engine, search right here. Then you search for the app. So you're going to type in Temu, something like this. So you can see the keywords right here, Temu. So just click on that. Then this is going to open up. So what you need to do is to click on install right here. So you can see right here that the app started to download. So we have to wait until this completed download. Then we proceed to the installation of Temu shopping app on our Android phone. If you are using iPhone, you can just head over to your iPhone store and type the same keyword Temu shopping app, and then you click on download. You are going to get the same result. All you have to do is to make sure that you this icon here is what you see. Okay, so after a successful installation, next thing you need to do is to click on open. Then at this point here, you need to click on accept. Click on accept. All right, so it's going to take you right here. So what you need to do is to log into the app so that you have all the features and full experience of using this app, Temu app, for shopping. So for you to log in, what you need to do is so you click on sign in right here. So we click on sign in, it takes you right here, and at the top right here, this is where you need to enter your email address or your phone number. So I'm going to enter my email address to log in. So if you have not yet registered on the app, maybe this is your first time, or you can check the video on my channel and see how you can register successful with Temu app. So once you are registered successful, then you can log in into the app. Then I'm going to enter my login password. All right. So after entering my email address and my login password, I have to click on sign in. Boom. So you can see it take me in automatically without any stress. Okay. So once you have signed in successful, and let me just give you a brief overview about this app, this Temu shopping app homepage. So from the top right here, this is where you have to, when you click on women, you are going to see all women items such as clothes, jewelries, etc. about women. Then this section here is for home appliance. This section here is for men, and this is for jewelries and the sport like that. Okay, so when you come down below right here, this is home page, and this is when you want to search for product by category. So if I click on here, you're going to see products by category. Okay, so these are variety of category products that you can see, that you can shop on Temu app. Okay, and right here you can see women's clothes, home and kitchen, women's cough plus, kids fashion, men's clothes, beauty and health, women's shoes, jewelries and accessory, toys and game, electronics, etc. And this is just for category section. And if you click on this icon right here, which simply means your personal profile. Okay, So under the personal profile, this is where you have your message. Maybe you have chats with supplier. This is where you have your orders. This is where you have your review. Your coupon code is going to be found here. Your credit balance is going to be here. The shop you follow is going to be here. Your browse history, your free gift credit and the likes. And if you scroll down at the bottom right here, this is where you have your shipping address. If you want to contact customer support, and this is for general settings. So the next section right here is where you have your product in cart. So if I click on that, it takes you to cart. So if you have any products that you have added into cart before, this is where you are going to see them. So let's take a look at, let's go back home and see some of the products. So when you begin to scroll down, you see more products listed on the app. And one thing about this app is that all the products here are listed in USD, that is United States or dollar. This is what I have for you as far as how you can use uh, Temu shopping app on your mobile, whether you are using Android phone or you are using iPhone. So in my future tutorial, I'm going to go deeper on how you can shop from this Temu shopping app, and what are the things you need to take into consideration before you can shop or before you can buy from any supplier and things like that on this channel. If you don't want to miss any of my future tutorial about Temu shopping app, click on the subscribe to this channel, turn on the notification bell, so each time I post content about this particular app, you'll be notified. And lastly but not the least, if you have any question for me as far as this Temu shopping app is concerned, you can put your question in the comment section down below. If you want to contact me for business consultation, you can contact me on WhatsApp via the number in the description of this video. Thank you guys for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.